Welcome to DaSpiritual Bombs, your sacred boutique for spiritual wellness. I'm Julia, your spiritual counselor and healer. This month, we're honoring the sacred power of sisterhood, the invisible threads that connect us, uplift us, and remind us that we are never alone on our journey. Sisterhood is more than friendship. It is an ancestral legacy, a circle of support and wisdom woven through generations of women who have gathered, healed, and risen together. In today's world, reclaiming these bonds is an act of self love and collective healing. Think back to the women who have shaped your life: mothers, grandmothers, sisters by blood and by spirit. What lessons did they pass down? What moments of comfort, laughter, or healing have you shared within your own circle? At DaSpiritual Bombs, we believe that honoring sisterhood is a spiritual practice. It's about showing up for one another, holding sacred space, and celebrating our collective power. Across cultures and traditions, women have gathered in circles to share wisdom, perform rituals, and support each other through life's transitions. These gatherings were not just social, they were sacred. They were spaces for healing, protection, and transformation. Today, we can reclaim these practices by creating intentional rituals that honor our bonds and invite healing energy into our lives. Let's begin our sacred sisterhood ritual using the Sisterhood Ritual Kit handcrafted for this month's journey. Step 1, set your intention. Begin by finding a quiet, sacred space. Light your candle and take a few deep, grounding breaths. Center yourself and speak your intention aloud or silently. I welcome unity, friendship, and collective empowerment into my life and into the lives of the women I am divinely connected to. Allow this intention to settle in your heart. Visualize the faces of your sisters, those by blood and those by spirit, gathering energetically with you in this sacred moment. Step 2, prepare your herbs. Now, lay out your herbs: rose petals for love, lavender for peace, mint for renewal, and cloves for strength. Arrange them on the cloth provided or in your ritual pouch. As you touch each herb, speak this blessing. With these herbs, I invite love, peace, renewal, and strength into my circle of sisters. Feel the energy of each plant. Imagine these qualities weaving between you and the women in your life, near or far, creating a tapestry of support and healing. Step 3, light the candle. Gently light your pink or white candle. Watch the flame rise, illuminating your altar and your intentions. As the flame glows, say, "With this flame, I honor the light within myself and my sisters. May we support, uplift, and walk beside one another in power and peace." Let the candle burn safely as you move through the rest of the ritual, symbolizing the enduring light of sisterhood. Step 4, speak the affirmation. Hold your affirmation card in your hands. Read the words aloud, slowly, and with intention. Together we rise, together we heal. Let each word resonate in your heart. Repeat it as many times as you feel called, allowing the affirmation to anchor you in unity and collective healing. Step 5, create a keepsake. Now, gather a pinch of each herb and place them into your pouch or wrap them in the cloth. This becomes your sisterhood token, a sacred reminder of your connection to community, healing, and divine feminine power. Carry it in your bag, place it on your altar, or tuck it under your pillow as a symbol of the bonds you've strengthened today. Step 6, close the ritual. When you feel complete, gently blow out your candle with gratitude in your heart. Offer thanks to Spirit, your ancestors, the earth, or your higher self, however you connect. And so it is. Take a moment to reflect on any feelings or messages that came through during your ritual. If you feel led, journal your experience or reach out to a sister who came to mind. Step 7, share the energy, optional. If you wish, share a photo of your ritual space or your thoughts online using hashtag Sisterhood Spell Kit or tag your soul sisters. If this sacred sisterhood ritual has touched your spirit, I invite you to deepen your journey with our exclusive Sisterhood Ritual Kit, thoughtfully crafted to support unity, healing, and collective empowerment. Visit the DaSpiritual Bombs boutique to explore this month's kit, book a personalized session, or download sacred digital rituals designed just for you. Join our community of spiritually rooted women reclaiming their power and protecting their peace, one ritual at a time. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience with sisterhood rituals. Please share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Remember, your light inspires more than you know.